Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the colors in the command prompt text. So let's get started. First we are going to need open the command prompt. Then we will type help color. And as you can see, there are a number of codes which are assigned to each color, as 0 is for black, 1 is for blue, A is for light green. So let's test any one of these. So we'll type so as you can see that the color is changed to light green. So let's try another. This is also a very bright color. So like this guys, you can change any color you want, or customize it with your own feeling and likely. So that's it.